Friends, this is my fourth video, and in this video I have discussed about the banking transactions. So I have classified the banking transactions into four scenarios, that is deposit into bank, withdraw from bank, payment through bank, and receipt into bank. So I have displayed these entries here. So these are the journal entries relevant to the same scenarios. So I'm going to enter these journal entries in Tally Prime. So I'm continuing to the Tally Prime. So in our first video, we have created SBI bank account. So I'm just going to alter the bank account, entering into the ledger. There is a bank account. So I want to update the information. This will be my account number. This will be my IFSC code. No problem. So this is my branch. Checkbook details. So this is my first check number. This is the last check number. So there are 25 checks available with me. This is the first book. I'm entering 1 lakh rupees as opening balance in my bank. Okay. Now I'm moving on with the entries, vouchers. So this transaction particularly deposit cash into bank. I want to deposit extra cash into bank. So this entry belongs to contra, and these two withdraw cash from bank also. This entry also will go into contra voucher. These two entries will go into contra entries. So I'm going to enter this journal, deposit cash into bank. There is SBI account will be debited and cash account will be credited. So it asks for credit entry, that is cash. So I'm having cash as 5 lakhs 50,500 rupees in my hand, out of which I'm taking 1 lakh rupees. So the cash is reduced to 4 lakh 50,500 rupees, and debit entries my bank account. So already I have my bank account having 1 lakh rupees, and now I'm putting more 1 lakh rupees into the account. Okay, cash. 10 lakhs 50. Okay, the entries deposit cash into bank, deposited cash 1 lakh rupees into bank account. So the next entry is, so now my bank is having 2 lakh rupees, and now I'm going to withdraw cash from bank. The same thing will be entered in contra. So I'm crediting the bank account. See, for example, I'm going to withdraw 1000 rupees. This is my first check number. Check number you entered is not in the selected range. Okay, debit cash. So my bank account is now having 1,99,000 rupees. So this is the withdraw from SB bank. Acceptance entry. So now I'm going to next scenario. There is paid rupees 1000 for Mr. Boss from SBI bank. So I have to create a account for this name. So I'm going to create a ledger. So create ledger boss account. There is an indirect expense that comes under indirect expense. Okay, I'm entering to the voucher. So this entry will go in payment. This thing is the payment, and this will go with the receipts. So I'm entering into payment. I'm going to pay 1,000 rupees to Mr. Boss. So the entry will be boss account will be debited. Okay, for 1,000 rupees, the bank account will be credited. Sorry, bank account. So my bank account is now having 1,98 rupees. So 1,98,000 rupees. So I'm giving the second check. Check number 2 is issued to Mr. Boss. Okay. My fourth scenario is I'm receiving rupees 1,500 as check. This is the check number from Mr. Boss who has account in IOB Bank. So I'm going to make this entry in receipts. Let's see how to enter in Tally Prime. Entry into the receipts. So the entry, the journal will be SBI account will be credited. Okay. SBI bank account will be credited. Where is the bank account? So bank account will be credited. Let's say for example 1,500 rupees. This is my third check. Oh, I think I have made a mistake here. Okay. This is not a credit, this is debit, and this is credit. Okay, bank account will be debited, and boss account will be credited. So the check number is 3458. The bank is IOB Bank. So received a check from Mr. Boss for 1,500 rupees from IOB Bank. Now I'm going to view my balance sheet. My balance sheet will appear like this. So I want to make the banking. So check register holds the check I have made. For example, I have made 2 checks, and I'm having 23 checks. Similarly, check register the check I have received in this bank. In this deposit slip. This is the check I received from Mr. Boss. These are the reports I can view from banking. So as per balance sheet, I have 1,99,500 in my bank account. The two in my bank SBI bank account. Going to see the day book. So till now we have entered these much of transactions. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.